Thank you for your interest in NuVue's winter tree coat cover. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your winter tree coat cover. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Unfold the winter tree coat cover. Step 2. Unzip the winter tree coat cover so that it is completely open. Step 3. Place the cover over the top of the tree and wrap the sides around so that the tree is completely covered. Step 4. Zipper the cover closed. Step 5. The winter tree coat cover has 2 ties at the bottom so that they can be cinched to allow for a tight fit around the bottom of the tree to keep snow and ice out.